Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is June. I am the wife of Robert, who normally demonstrates how to polish opal in our video clips. Normally I am the one who's behind the camera and does all the editing and uploading of our video clips, but today I'm going to polish opals myself because my husband's been lately very busy, and I thought, okay, then in that case I will do it, because for the last few years I've been polishing opals. Alright, I'm showing you different boulders from Queensland. Some of them are already faced, so you can see the colors. The first stone I'm showing you already faced, but on the back it had a different layer of opal, so I thought I just want to check it out, what it looks like, whether it's worth it to save. So I'm grinding some of the dirt off, and yeah, I'm checking it, but I didn't think it's very special. The next stone, it doesn't have too many grooves, so I'm just using 200 grade sandpaper disc to grind off any big visible scratches of the surface of the opal. The next stone has a very thin layer of opal on top of the boulder, so I'm trying to get rid of as little as possible. I'm using Vaseline petroleum jelly to use as a paste or lubricant. What Vaseline does in this case, when I use this coarse grade rubber point, it actually helps the abrasive particles to stay on the surface. It's more economical. When you do it dry, you can use the particles very quickly. This is very important steps that you have to do every stage of using abrasive products. You have to get rid of all the abrasives left on the surface of stones. I'm wiping my hands thoroughly using clean water and tissues. The next stage, I'm using medium grade rubber point. As you can see, I'm using Vaseline as well. Try to reach all the grooves in the surface of the stones. But it takes a lot longer time than it's been shown in this video clips. The first few steps are very important. You have to take more time to get rid of all the visible scratches and noticeable scratches. Now I'm using 600 grit sandpaper to get rid of that fine scratches. And now I moved on to 600 grade diamond paste. The diamond paste that I'm using is a high concentration diamond paste, which is very good. We sell those on our eBay page, so if you need them, just check the information down below. And I'm using smaller felt bob. Keeping different sizes of felt bob is quite convenient when it comes to processing opals with different sizes of grooves, because you can reach, it's a common sense, isn't it? You can reach all these small valleys. If you can afford it, if you're serious about processing opals, do invest a little bit of money. They're not very expensive. We sell them as well, so I really like this stone. It's very pretty color. Now I'm moving on to 1200 diamond paste. I put some paste on all of those stones at once to save some time. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm actually using a designated wooden blocks for each steps, because sometimes accidentally your felt bob touches the wooden block, and you can actually, if you don't use the designated ones, you can actually contaminate your felt bulb with maybe coarser grade diamond products. So to avoid that, I asked my husband to cut some wooden blocks for me, so I can use use them for different stages. I moved on to 3000 after 1200, just doing each stones. I have to apologize for my English. I wasn't born in Australia. I moved to Australia about 20 years ago, but my English is still not perfect, and I have an accent as well. So I'm sorry if you can't understand me very clearly. I hope it's not the case. I'm trying my best to be as clear as possible, but you will still hear some accent. Now I'm using a bigger felt bulb. It's wool. It's very good to get rid of all these residual diamond paste, and at the same time using those to polish the higher, broader areas of the stones. It's very efficient, time efficient, and energy efficient, I guess. This stone was already quite polished quite a bit, so I am just doing the later stages. Well, we're back from the workshop, and I'm showing the finished stones. Some are more beautiful than the other ones, but I think they all have nice characters. It took for about 2 hours for me to finish polishing the faces of the stones, and another hour for the backs and sides. Of course, all of the stones were already faced, so it saved me some time. Well, please be aware what we've just demonstrated in this video clip is just a guideline. I would like to encourage you to take time and experiment with different techniques until you find the method works best for you. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video clip we provided today. Thank you very much.